Joy and welcome to my studio. Today I wanted to give you a sneak peek at the latest Miriam Joy Gourd Class, and this is my Squash Blossom Necklace Class. It's done with molds. It's very different from everything we've been doing. It's got beading in it. It's a lot of fun. So make sure you check it out at miriamjoy.com, where you can either buy it on a DVD or you can get it right away on YouTube, where you can watch it at your own convenience. Thank you. God bless.